Imagine a space where your mind can rest, your body can unwind, and your spirit can soar. Introducing the meditation cushion set, Zafu Zabuton, handcrafted and using only the finest organic materials. Whether you're just beginning your mindfulness journey or you're an experienced meditator, this cushion set is designed for you. Made with organic cotton, it's free from harmful chemicals and crafted for comfort, durability, and sustainability. No matter your size or meditation style, this set is perfect for all levels. The Zafu Zabuton work together to support your posture, allowing for deeper concentration and longer meditation sessions. With the soft yet firm support of these cushions, you can let go of discomfort and fully immerse yourself in your practice. The removable and refillable cushion covers make cleaning a breeze, ensuring your meditation space stays fresh and inviting. Plus, the carry handle allows you to bring your mindfulness with you, wherever you go. Designed by avid meditators who understand the importance of both function and style, this set is made with sustainability in mind. The organic cotton exterior is not only soft to the touch, but also durable enough to withstand both hand and machine washing. An ideal seat height and soft cushion support are beneficial for spinal alignment, pelvic lift, alleviating knee pain, reducing ankle pressure, and easing low back tension. Enhance your meditation practice with a cushion set that's as committed to mindfulness as you are. Experience the comfort, durability, and sustainability of the Zafu Zabuton set today. Your meditative journey awaits. Order now and begin your journey to mindfulness.